welcome to this update video. I hope you're doing well this morning. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on across the North Atlantic. So we can see that there is some increased thunderstorm activity and some rain across parts of South Florida and the vicinity of the Bahamas, just as anticipated. And so in some of these areas there could be quite a bit of rainfall, which may lead to flooding. So that is going to be a possibility as we head throughout today. As we look out to the main development region, we can see that blob and that trail of convection headed towards the west, some of which is in association with the tropical waves out there. And then to the eastern Pacific, near Central America, we'll also see that there's quite a bit going on. So let's zoom into the area. Here we can see all this moisture coming in from the east, and this has been resulting in quite a bit of rain across areas such as Trinidad, even Grenada as well. There's been some downpours around, and that is likely to continue as we head throughout today. And across some areas experiencing all the rainfall right now, should there be a heavy downpour, the soil is already saturated across many spots, and any additional heavy rain may lead to some level of flooding, hopefully not any significant flooding though. As we take a look at the rest of the Caribbean region, much isn't going on for parts of the northern islands. Things have definitely improved for the Cayman Islands because there's been a lot of showers and thunderstorms within the area. And then, as I said, over towards Central America, the Pacific side more so, there is quite a bit going on. Looking at the rainfall forecast for today in parts of Florida, there could be rainfall amounts going up to 3.5 or even 4 inches across the state. So again, there is that surge in moisture, that surge in activity there across parts of the northern Bahamas as well, Grand Bahama, the Abaco Islands. There could be some decent rain. The rest of the archipelago, including the Turks and Caicos Islands, should be on the drier side. Similar thing for much of eastern Cuba. Headed to western Cuba, parts of Central America, there could be some heavy rain in some areas, and also for the offshore islands of San Andres and Providencia. Cayman Islands, a few spots in Jamaica, some showers may move by today. Northern South America will be active, same thing near the ABC Islands. Not guaranteed that there will be a lot of heavy rain though. And then, as I mentioned, for Trinidad, Tobago, Grenada, even parts of the Grenadines, there could be some additional showers, but there's been some rain moving through today. Then as we head to the rest of the Lesser Antilles, Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, it's unlikely that there will be any substantial downpours as we head throughout today. It's also going to be quite windy across the eastern islands. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wind forecast. We can see that some of these darker blue shadings popping up. So winds going up to 25, even 30 knots across parts of the eastern Caribbean. So the ABC Islands will be quite windy today. Same thing for much of the Lesser Antilles, winds 15 to 20 knots thereabout. Parts of Jamaica as well, especially the southern parishes, the Cayman Islands, and even for the Turks and Caicos Islands, winds may kick up a bit as well. So it's going to be windy across some of these areas, and there's still some dust around as well. And again, more dust is going to be moving in. Nothing too unusual for this time of year. So guys, that is basically what I wanted to share with you in this brief update this morning, and I hope you found it to be informative. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll respond when I get the chance to do so, and remember to always be weatherwise.